Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to edit with CapCut on iPhone. Editing videos with CapCut on an iPhone is easy and user-friendly. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Now tap on the clip in the timeline to choose it. To trim, just drag the edges of the clip to shorten or lengthen it. To split, move the playhead to where you want to cut the clip. Then tap the split tool, which allows you to divide the clip to remove any unwanted sections. You can also rearrange clips by tapping and holding them, then dragging them to a new position on the timeline. Now, unhighlight the clip. To add smooth transitions between clips, tap the small white box between clips on the timeline. Then choose a transition effect like fade, zoom, or swipe to enhance the flow of your video, etc. So I choose comparison. Now tap the check button. Tap the audio at the bottom, then choose from CapCut sounds, sound effects, or import your own audio. So I go on sounds, then tap on the download button on your preferred music to preview it, then tap on add. You can adjust the volume of the audio by selecting the track and dragging the volume slider. Now unhighlight the audio, then go back. Tap the text button in the toolbar at the bottom to add titles or captions. Then choose Add Text, type your text, and then customize its font, size, color, and the animation. Position the text on the screen, then tap on the check button and adjust how it stays visible by dragging it along the timeline. Then tap on Back. Once you go to Effects or Filters, to add color filters or special effects like glitch, retro, or sparkles to enhance your video. Adjust speed. To create slow motion or fast motion effects, tap the clip and choose speed. Choose either normal to slow down or speed up the entire clip, or curve to create dynamic speed changes. Once you choose the speed, tap on Back. Use keyframes for animation. To animate elements like zooming in, out, or moving text, use keyframes. Tap a clip, then tap the diamond icon to add the keyframe at a specific point in the timeline. Move the playhead and adjust the position, size, or rotation of the clip to animate the changes between keyframes. So I choose to scale my clip. To do this is pinch it outwards to make it bigger. Tap the play button to preview your edited video. Make sure everything flows smoothly and looks as you want. And tap on Export once you are happy with the changes. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.